Hey, we're trying to film.
I just put my hat in my ramen.
Can we stop? I'm trying to film.
What are we doing today?
Man, what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk that way, and then we're gonna make some food.
Sounds great.
This is my sippy cup. We're at our campsite. Got some tents set up, and we're about to cook some spammy jammy samies.
No, they're called spam and jams.
Whatever.
Spam and jam. Ooh.
Yeah. So we're gonna saute up some onions that we got chopped here. Then we're gonna mix in some spam.
Yeah.
Bacon jam.
Oh, that's the jam part of the spam and jam?
The hot pepper bacon jam.
Yeah.
Pineapple that we're gonna throw in there as well.
And what are we gonna eat that on?
We're gonna slice up some King Hawaiian Rolls.
Ooh. Ooh. I
It's
love
gonna be like
you, sir.
our own luau fiesta.
Get them butter junks going.
Mm-hmm. And some butter.
We sweat enough today. Drip a little sweat in that oil.
Speaking of sweating, that's what Jim's doing.
Ah!
See what I did there?
Yeah. Oh.
We got that spam classic.
This is our second spam video. That
Yeah.
first one was a spam on me.
Ooh,
Y'all subscribe to our YouTube channel. Y'all have known that already.
it's nothing but some
Let me
Vienna
smell that.
sausage.
Oh, that is dog food city right there.
Yes.
The good thing about this recipe is none of it requires any refrigeration or seasoning because there's so much salt in that spam and so much salt in that bacon jam.
All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and
Oh, you're gonna do the in-can cut technique?
I'm gonna do the in-can
What do you
cut
call that?
technique. I'm gonna call it kind of like a block of Velveeta.
Okay. Gross.
Hold this.
Speaking of dropping
Should
a
we
chunk.
do all of it?
Yeah, I mean we've committed at this point.
This way.
Oh, super cute.
Now we got some chunks. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and just make a
Spam mash.
spam mash. Okay, so now look, we got all this. Got some nice crispy edges.
Smash. What do you want? Ooh.
Do we have any forks?
So now we're gonna go and add a little bit of pineapple juice. Sorry if it gets in there, it'll caramelize. Some of these pineapples. Some of this, which is hot pepper bacon jam.
That's
All right, let's do it all.
yeah. Might as well.
So I think we're to a point now where this is definitely worn through enough. I'm gonna cut the heat and let this just kind of chill out and get all sticky.
Speaking of chill out, I wish y'all would. No, eat them. You have to eat all
We
of
can't
that.
waste any food
No,
while we're
you
out
can't.
here. Or water. No food or water wasted. We've got a rash in our supply.
You got a rash?
Rash.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
right.
I think right here,
That's cool.
you can see this right here. That's
Yeah.
a Pop-Tarts box.
This is the first ever history of the world spam and jam.
What's it called? Spam
Bruh. Spam and jam.
Okay. Look at that.
Bruh.
It's like we're making street food over here.
It is. And we are nowhere near a street.
Hot, hot, hot.
All right.
Look at that bite right there. Got some of that bacon jam, some of that spam, some of that pineapple. Oh, man, that is really good.
Spam and jam.
It's all over my face. It's all over my hands. It's all over the pan. Spam and jam.
Super easy. Bacon jam, spam, pineapple, onion. That's all it is. Let's see what we got. That's sweet and sour pork
Yeah,
on a sandwich.
that's exactly what that is.
That's good camping food right there. We did it.
Yep.
Nice work.
Talking about gunshot in the forest.